Imagine your body is a massive video game city. To survive, it needs a constant delivery of resources and a defense team that never sleeps. To keep the city running, your body uses two specialized teams: delivery trucks that drop off supplies and an elite security force that hunts down invaders. These players are everywhere. They make up about 45% of the volume of your blood. This specific division of labor is vital. Without the delivery team, the city starves. Without the security team, it gets overrun. Our delivery vehicles have a very specific design. They're flat, circular hovercrafts pushed in on both sides, a shape called biconcave. If we cut one in half, you'll see they have no central nucleus. They ditch their own control room just to maximize cargo space. Their mission is straightforward: deliver oxygen to the city's muscles and carry away a small amount of carbon dioxide waste. Every time you take a deep breath before a sprint, you're loading these little ships with the oxygen your body needs to keep moving. These red blood cells are known in biology as erythrocytes. The actual cargo boxes holding that oxygen are made of an iron-rich pigment called hemoglobin. That hemoglobin pigment is actually what gives blood its bright red color. They have a busy life cycle. They're spawned in the bone marrow, work for 120 days, and retired in the liver and spleen. Erythrocytes are the ultimate team players. They literally give up their own internal organs to ensure your muscles get the maximum amount of energy possible. Next, we have the security squad. They have irregular shapes. They keep their central nuclei, and they only live for 3 or 4 days because they're always on the front lines. These are the leukocytes, transparent cells we usually call white blood cells, to tell them apart from the delivery team. As this diagram shows, the security team is split by the texture of the jelly inside them. One side has a grainy texture, known as granular, while the other is clear, or agranular. Our main infantry unit is the neutrophil. They fight like a microscopic Pac-Man, physically reaching out and swallowing enemy germs whole. In biology, this eating process is called phagocytosis. This is exactly what's happening in your body when you clean out a paper cut and fight off an infection. There are also specialized allergy units like eosinophils and basophils. Basophils act like a tripwire, dropping chemical flares to call for backup when they find a threat. That chemical flare is called histamine. This granular faction serves as the body's first responders, reacting instantly to everything from a splinter to a bee sting. For more complex threats, the body uses a clear jelly special ops team, the agranular leukocytes, which include monocytes and lymphocytes. Monocytes are the cleanup crew. They use phagocytosis to ingest dead cells and bacteria left over in damaged tissues. This visual shows how B lymphocytes protect us. They act like archers, shooting Y-shaped tracking arrows called antibodies that lock onto targets. Once tagged, T lymphocytes move in. They're close combat specialists that dock with and destroy dangerous anomalies, like virus-infected cells. While the infantry fights general dirt and grime, these agranular units provide a highly targeted intelligence network capable of identifying and precision striking specific, severe diseases. This entire society of delivery ships and warriors lives inside every single drop of your blood. To recap the delivery team, erythrocytes, or red blood cells, carry oxygen using their hemoglobin cargo. The security team, leukocytes, or white blood cells, are the transparent force that keeps the city safe. And that security force has specialists that can eat germs, release histamine alarms, or hunt with antibodies. When you check your textbook, you can see these game mechanics in the real world. Under red blood cells, it lists that biconcave shape, the missing nucleus, and the hemoglobin cargo. If you look at the white blood cells, you'll find the same evidence: their irregular shape, their nuclei, and their split between granular and agranular factions. Biology is more than just terms on a page. It's the high-stakes microscopic defense strategy that keeps you alive every second of the day.